Sometimes I forget who I am, trying to get along with myself. Yet every morning I wake up, recording all my deepest sorrows in the darkest days of my days. I truly wish I can be more than me. I chase dreams like everyone does. I pretend that I'm a whole person, that I can sharply hide my oppressions, lying about me, but never to myself. The insane part is who I really am, in regards to whom I once was. Such a guy who endured the past. I know nothing about him, frankly, but all I see is just me and I. No matter how hard I try to change, my personality never ceases to haunt me. My mind has become a fit society, but they only see the one I once was, a good bulk of the decades. I'm in a war that nobody else realizes due to the innermost battlefield, and I'm confused like nobody else to the extent that my mates wrote no clue on who to really showcase. Time change, years come and go, cloned, still dreaming same stances, solitude still my only bliss, talking to none but the only man in me, weighing just how much we've spoken. No matter how determined I try, my luck keeps running against me. My mind urges to keep moving, that I will get nowhere anyway, that I deserve nothing but starve. No matter how bothersome I get, the fact remains my key reminder that I'm a fallen loser for life, that I'm a genius in our inner life, that I'm a lesson to the words. No matter how deep I behold, I'm still carrying the same road. No matter how on I can move, I'm still the same practices, same praise and same tears. Dreams about dreaming with endless worries for myself that someday I would live and forget that I never lived, then abruptly die with no trace.